back here at Anglo Siam Legal, and today's subject is marriage, divorce and prenups. John, there's a lot of foreigners out there who want to get married. You know, you come here, you meet somebody. What service do you offer, and why is it important that they should seek some legal advice from someone like yourself?
So a lot of people do get married here. As you've said, they come here, they fall in love and they want to get married. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it's not. It's got pitfalls either way you look at it. You're in unfamiliar territory, unfamiliar laws, unfamiliar ways. What we offer is a marriage registration service out of Bangkok, where you attend your MC, get your freedom of affirmation to marry, which is to make sure that you are free to marry, divorced or single, etc. You then give that to our agents. They get it translated and take to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for legalization. We arrange the attendance at the district office, the Ampur. We are there in attendance with you and your bride, spouse, etc. to be for the marriage ceremony itself. We guide you through to make sure that you as the foreign national understand what's going on, because this is in Thai, so it's important for you to know what's being said, what you're agreeing to and what you're signing to. The biggest aspect further that we can help with, and this is vital, is a prenuptial agreement. Most foreign nationals are coming into the country with wealth. A lot of foreign nationals are marrying local ladies that may not have that benefit of wealth. It's important to protect your assets, what you have before, what you're investing into the country, and have agreements in place should the relationship fail. That way you have an agreement to fall back on that's clear, concise, and that a court can consider. All of our agreements are both in Thai and English for registration. It has to be signed in front of the Ampur at the district office when you get married. They keep one copy, the bride keeps a copy, the foreign national keeps a copy. Then if anything ever goes wrong, it's there in black and white. This is how we agreed before we got married. This is what I want from the divorce.
Now, as a bit of an extra add-on here, I want to talk about not being married. There's a lot of guys who come here, they don't get married, they buy properties, they buy, they get some land up in Isan, and I just want to say that it's not the end of the world with this kind of situation, as long as you have a paper trail.
Correct. Property is a huge subject which we're going to cover in another video, and I'll tell you how to protect your assets when it comes to property, land, houses, your occupation of it, sale of the same, due diligence, etc. But for marriage, we can offer the marriage services, we can guide you through the system, and with the new Marriage Act that came in for same-sex couples that comes into effect in January, that opens the doors for same-sex couples, LGBT, and different laws will then follow. Inheritance laws will have to fall into place. New rules for divorce will have to fall into place. New rules for division of assets will have to fall into place. So again, that's a different subject, but marriage is getting a lot bigger in Thailand, and with the same-sex laws, it opens up a wealth of other things for people to do.
John, thank you for the information. Can you tell everybody how we're going to find you? Absolutely.
Number will be on screen, website will be on screen, email will be on screen. But if you're in Pattaya, the easiest way to do it, we're opposite Big C South in South Pattaya, opposite the car park. Pop in, say hello, let's have a coffee.